please like and subscribe to our channel. Leave your questions and feedback in the comments section. Enjoy the video.
Chapter 6, verse 108 of the Holy Quran, tells Muslims not to disrespect the teachings of other religions, as this might cause them to disrespect Allah, the Exalted. This will only lead to problems and hatred within the society. Islam teaches love within society, not hate. You should only say things to other people what you would like them to say to you. Otherwise, if you say a bad thing to someone, they will only say a bad thing back to you. If you disrespect other religions, you will only push people further away from Islam. The best way to show people the true peaceful teachings of Islam is by treating others with respect, as this is what Islam teaches.